Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I will be teaching you about how to find the determinant, inverse, and the adjoint of a matrix using a calculator, and the adjoint of a matrix using a calculator. So given matrix A is this, you have to find the determinant, the inverse, and the adjoint using a calculator. So the kind of calculator you have to use is this type that supports the matrix function. So you can see that in this one, there's mode here. So you can press the mode. After you press the mode, there's an option here for the matrix function. Option 6. So you press 6 on the calculator. 6, then you select any of these that you want, either 1, 2, or 3. Or let's select 1. So I'll press 1. Then this matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. So you press 1 to select the 3 by 3 matrix. Here, 1. Then now you can enter the matrix. So we enter the first one, 1. Press 1. Then you press equal to. So after you press any of these digits, you press equal to. So I'll press 2, then equal to, then 2 again, then equal to, then 2, then equal to, then negative 3, equal to, negative 1, equal to, 3, equal to, 2, equal to, then 4, equal to. Then now, we press this AC here to save the matrix. So after you save it, you see that there's an option here, Mat, to show that this matrix is active. Then you press Shift. Shift, you see it here, Shift. Then you see that there's an option at 4 here, where there is a matrix, the root matrix here. Here is vector, here is matrix. So you press 4. So after the shift, you press 4 here. Then you see these options. Now you see number 1, you see option 1 to option 8. So you press to find the determinant of this matrix. You press 7 first to bring out the determinant option. Then you press shift again and press 4 again. Then you select your matrix and it's mat A. So you select 3. Then you can see determinant of matrix A. Then you press equal to. Then you see it's negative 6. Then don't press on, if not everything will turn off. If you press on, this matrix will be deleted. So we press shift again and press 4. Then to get the inverse of this matrix, you press 3 again. Then you press this inverse. You press equal to. You see this is the inverse. Then you press SD to turn it from decimal to fraction. So you see 5 over 3. You see 5 over 3. The next one, you press SD. Here is 2 over 3. Here is 2 over 3. The next one, negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. The next one, 11 over 6. 11 over 6. The next one, 1 over 3. 1 over 3. The next one, negative 5 over 6. Negative 5 over 6. Negative 13 over 6. Negative 13 over 6. Negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3. And finally 7 over 6. 7 over 6. So you can see. Then the final one, the adjoint of this matrix. The adjoint of this matrix, you are going to use a formula for it. The adjoint of this matrix, you are going to use the formula for it. Is given by the determinant multiplied by the inverse. So we have gotten the determinant and the inverse. You can also use the calculator. You press shift and matrix. So it's given by option 7. Then option 7, then shift again, mat A, that is you press 3. That's the determinant of A. Then multiply, you press the times multiplied by the inverse. Press shift, press 4. The inverse is what you select 3, which is the mat A again. Press 3. Then you press the inverse here on top. So now this one, you can see that is the determinant multiplied by the inverse. Then you press equal to. Then you can see this is the adjoint of this matrix. You can see negative 10, negative 10, negative 4, negative 4, 4, 4, negative 11, negative 11, negative 2, negative 2, 5, 5, 13, 13, 4, 4, negative 7, negative 7. So this is how you can find the determinant, the inverse, and the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix using a calculator. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.